Hello friends, so today we'll be going to draw Tarta bird. It is a character of Gartan of banban. So let's try. We can do like this, draw, and then we can do like this. So here we can draw one eye and another eye. So one eye like this we can draw here, and here like this. And then from here we can draw like this, and we can draw the beak, the mouth part like this. So friends, here you can see our colored bird is ready. Then in this character, you remember there are 3 lines here, like this, and like this, and her head also like this and like this. So this is the character in a simple way, and here we can draw like this, and you can say this like this. So it is a complete Tarta bird, and you can say. So we can extend the lower line like this, and we join like this. And here we can draw like legs, this and this one and this one and this one, and joint this one and this one. So here